Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients on the counter so you can work without interruption. Combine 4 tablespoons unsalted butter with 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour to make a roux. Measure precisely for consistency. Pour 2 cups low-sodium chicken stock and 1 cup milk in separate jugs so you can add liquids gradually. Add seasonings up front: 1 tsp onion powder, 1 tsp garlic powder, 1 tsp soy sauce. Melt the 4 tablespoon butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat and immediately whisk in the 4 tablespoon flour. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes to remove raw flour taste. Reduce heat to medium-low and slowly whisk in the 2 cups chicken stock and 1 cup milk, adding in thirds to prevent lumps. Stir constantly for the first minute, then simmer gently while stirring for 6 to 8 minutes until the gravy thickens to a glossy, pourable consistency. Once thickened, remove from heat and taste. Adjust seasoning carefully. Add up to 1/2 tsp more kosher salt, a dash of soy sauce, or 1 tsp brown sugar for depth. If the gravy feels too rich, brighten with 1 tsp lemon juice or 1/2 tsp apple cider vinegar. For a silky finish, push the gravy through a fine mesh sieve into a clean saucepan. Keep warm over low heat and serve immediately with fried chicken, biscuits, or mashed potatoes for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.